What is Java interface and why it's needed? Interfaces serve as conceptual templates for classes, outlining method signatures without dictating the actual implementation. What is interface in Java? In Java, an interface is a fundamental concept that allows for the declaration of methods without providing their implementation details. Interfaces provide a powerful mechanism for achieving abstraction, polymorphism, and the creation of robust, modular code in Java. Why use Java interface? Using Java interfaces offers several advantages that contribute to the development of robust, modular, and maintainable software systems. One primary reason for utilizing Java interfaces is to achieve abstraction. How to implement an interface? Implementing an interface in Java not only enforces a specific behavior but also empowers the class to extend its capabilities within the confines of the established contract. How do you declare an interface in Java? Declaring an interface in Java is a fundamental step in creating a blueprint for classes to follow. To declare an interface, the interface keyword is used, followed by the name of the interface. Use of interface in Java. The use of interfaces in Java is integral to achieving code modularity, flexibility, and consistency in object-oriented programming. Interfaces also support the concept of multiple inheritance, allowing a class to implement multiple interfaces. Conclusion. In conclusion, interfaces in Java are a cornerstone of object-oriented programming, offering a powerful mechanism for achieving abstraction, polymorphism, and code consistency. The versatility of interfaces is evident in their support for polymorphism, enabling multiple classes to implement the same interface and be treated interchangeably.